Here we have a 2005 Skoda Fabia. It's the petrol 1.2 3-cylinder engine, and it's got roughly 71,000 miles on the clock. Right, now if you have a spanner light on or inspection warning showing, just reminding you that the car's due a service and you've serviced it and you'd like to reset it, hopefully this will help you show how to do that. I'll put the lights on so it illuminates, it's a little bit easier to see. You can see the little spanner light there, and if I put the ignition on, it says inspection. So we'll run through the procedure to reset that. Right, so it's fairly straightforward. I've left the lights on just purely so you can see it a little bit clearer. You don't need the lights on. So with the ignition off, I've got the key out there, but ignition off, press and hold the trip reset button and put the ignition on to position 2, just so the lights illuminate. And that's it, just keep the button held in until the 3 dashes appear. Now hopefully that should be it. Which it isn't, so I'll try again. Ah, that was it. You just have to do that twice. So if I turn everything off, I'll start the car up. Yes, that's it. So with the ignition off, press and hold this button, turn the ignition to position 2, just keep this button held in until the 3 dashes appear, and then it said oil, so release it, turn everything off and do exactly the same again. Ignition off, hold the button in, ignition on, position 2, keep it held until it disappears. And that's it, reset for another year. So just as a recap, I ran through that procedure twice, because the first time I done it was actually resetting the inspection warning, and then as you saw it pinged up with oil. So I've done it again to reset the oil reminder. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you, and if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.